The Bank of Jamaica says service standards should improve over time. The assurance was given as banks continue to come under fire for issues at ATMs. These issues are even more stark in rural parishes. Romarda Lyons reports.
Arms house, Rastaman say arms house.
Cries about inconvenience at ATMs across the island have been consistent. After Hurricane Beryl in 2024, the Bank of Jamaica says ATM services took a major hit. The same has been repeated and in some cases worsened following Hurricane Melissa. Dr. Jide Lewis, Deputy Governor of the Financial Institution Supervisory Division, highlighted issues at play after Beryl.
ABMs are accessible to the public 24 hours a day. And so even if you have made minor glitches from time to time, it will affect a customer. And so what we're talking about here is, the level of access to road networks, to security, to telecommunications is going to have to be at a much higher level to allow for seamless interactions and experiences for the everyday customer.
Now, early October 2025, he said there were improvements. However,
has it improved? The answer is yes. Has it improved to the point where there's going to be a seamless experience for every single customer at the point where they want to either deposit cash or withdraw cash? The answer is no. There's still going to be quite a bit of challenges, and that is really being captured in the falls rate, moving from 90,000 per month.
Dr. Lewis says over half of those faults are not because of limited cash flow.
They're not cash out faults or deposit faults. The primary chunk of that, I would say 60% of that, is network-related issues.
These are the complaints in rural Jamaica. Clarendon.
The ATM machine only work in the morning. And sometime in the evening it's not working either. So you have to lucky to go there in the day, which at that time when I go there, everybody is present.
Manchester.
I went into the machine. I tried to withdraw some funds. The machine did not say it was temporary out of service or anything like that. So I enter the PIN, try withdrawing the money. I heard like the cash is coming down, but it actually did not come out. I got back the card, receipt, but no cash.
St. Elizabeth.
Come here all the while. You know, one day I go in an early morning time, I come in here. Machine them now, 4 machines now. You know, on weekend and they come and have to drive money to pay the work and them no money.
Dr. Lewis says the frustration is understood.
It means that whatever economic activity you had planned to do, suddenly you're delayed or you're frustrated. So that's the first thing I want to say. The statistics that we produce will not reflect the lived experience of every single customer. And I think part of what we're really challenged with is that averages don't necessarily tell all the story. So what I would say to the public is that the move of the banks to improve their services is going to take time for them to get to the ideal situation.
Tune into TVJ on January 8th for extended coverage on ATM issues in rural Jamaica. Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.